Dude, I really thought that was...
Oh my god. What is he doing? No one just got up here so easily.
He's like 8'7".
Kendall, I'm only 6 foot. I'm not that big of a deal.
Okay, bye, ET.
I would just like to say I got that bike.
What?
A bad fits right on the handlebar.
You are not listening to music right now. You're like... It's in the fucking... It's in the...
Oh, good to go. Seat's dry as fuck. Seat's dry as fuck.
You're just not...
Just put it.
We're good to go. Let's go.
Well, it's gonna be super easy to find Noah. Can't lose him. You better not. You better stop. My stack keeps going sideways, so Noah's gonna fix it.
Fuck, man, that vaccine ain't no joke.
Oh yeah, he got vaccinated.
This bitch hot as hell.
I did just drive.
My vision.
I think you're close.
Shit. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, learned this a long time ago.
What?
Wrong. Doesn't work.
He broke it.
We'll do it again.
And that's how you stop your stack from moving.
Yup.
Noah's fixing everything today. Now he's fixing my seatbelt.
Yeah, we're not gonna lie, that is the wrong for it. And I'll put the cat right there. I put the cat back on so you'll never notice. But like, yeah, she don't go. Yeah, I just rethreaded that. One of the two's rethreading this, or the not itself. Come on, where's that cap out here?
It's right there.
You ain't getting the cap.
Okay.
In here.
Now we're bending my fender back.
Yeah.
Oh, that was easy.
Fucking good. Oh.
Don't hurt yourself.
Try to. Ah! Now, ain't that just nifty, huh?
So we come over here, and this is like that. I just drove, that means I drove like that.
You don't need shocks to drive.
But I
You
could
just need to coil.
no, I could
You
have,
don't need shocks. You mean
I could have broke something.
it's like riding a boat. Full front end go bounce, boy. That'd be
I
good.
could have broke something. Something could have went wrong.
Nah, you'll be alright. I had a vehicle for a while that didn't have fucking shocks.
I don't know how to fix that.
I had a.
I am so upset about that. I'm literally inside taking a breather. My life is in shambles right now, guys. You have no idea. I don't even know like what shocks, because I don't want to get cheap ones, obviously. So Gabe said to just take that off. We literally cannot, we're not strong enough. So Savannah's gonna go get her grill, and then yeah. It's also starting to rain, and that's really annoying, and I definitely have to get these off because I have to go somewhere tomorrow. All right, new plan. Love that. All right, I'm gonna try this side. Get under here, please. Dude, this one's not moving either.
Centimeter. Oh yeah.
Savannah got it to move.
That's right. Give me the drill.
Savannah the ox, always doing it. It doesn't matter what it is, she just does it. There's a bolt on the other side we have to deal with. Woo!
Take the shock out.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness. Her hands look like that, so mine can look like Now we have to take those top bolts off. Before somebody says that I don't do anything. Look at me. Anyways. Wow. It literally fell in here. Excuse me. Cool.
This one's gonna be harder. I already know.
Is it? Dude, not.
Ugh.
Savannah got to move with her foot.
Do I need to use my foot again? Holy fuck.
Probably.
Ow.
Foot round 3. You were like not wearing the correct shoes for this.
Lift it up.
That one was way easier than the last one. Yay! Do you want to throw it? What the heck? Love that. Yay. I actually don't know how to properly dispose of these. Like, we'll just put them over here for now. Okay, this isn't the first time I've literally laid in bed and like talked to you guys. But the thought of like, there's literally hair in my mouth right now. The thought of going outside and filming for the last 3 days just like mentally exhausts me for some reason. I'm always gonna be real with you guys. Like I cannot film an intro. I can't think of anything to say. So this is me being honest and saying I suck right now. Yeah, take care of yourselves, because it does get rough sometimes. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully I'll have a better outro than this. God, I'm too honest with the internet. Alright, weep weep.